What's good, everybody? In today's video, we have something special I got from a friend off the 9th Gen group. I'm so excited because I've wanted this for a long time. Ever since I got my 9th Gen and I've started exploring the mods you could do, it's always been out of my price range. And I wasn't planning on buying this, but the dude hit me up and he said his buyers recently flaked. He just wanted to get rid of it. So I got it for a really good deal, and I don't want to say how much I spent on it, but I got it for a really good deal. I'm not going to act like I didn't already unbox this because I was just so excited. Look at that. Oh yeah, you already know. If you know, you know. This is the Acuity Instruments short shifter. This thing retails for about $400 without shipping. It's pretty expensive. That's why I never went after it. Coming from older Hondas and the short shifters only being 40 bucks, 20 bucks off of eBay, I was really hesitant to buy this, but I got to feel it and I was like, this is 100% worth it. But luckily, Michael hooked me up with a deal. I guess this was the second one. I don't know. I don't really know the story. You can increase your throw, decrease throw if you want more of a stock feel. You can raise the height of the shifter. It's fully adjustable. We got to deal with business before we go to the parties, you know what I mean? So yeah, got to do an oil change on the SI real quick. Let's go knock this out and throw in the short shifter. Got a busy day today, so let's get after it. My GoPro wigged out. Let me show you guys where I'm at. I took the shift boot off, which is right there. After that, you just pry up, take the cup holders off. It's got plastic clips, just like the shift boot. Then there's gonna be the little interior clips right here. One on this side, two on this side. And then you take out two screws right here. 1, 2 of the glove compartment. Two screws in the middle of the glove. Two screws in the middle of the glove compartment. And then one screw right here. After that, you can take off your entire center console. So that's where I'm at. It sucks my GoPro died. Like I said, I don't really do how-to videos anyways, so bear with me. Now we're gonna be removing this cotter pin and the gear selector or gate spring. I can't even remember what it is, but we gotta remove this, and this. Also the gear selector thing. Honestly, if you want an install video that's actually descriptive, go watch Acuity's on their YouTube. Front two bolts were rusted. Car's from Ohio, so what do you expect? I'm gonna throw some WD in there just to lube it up and kind of safeguard it. But yeah, we're gonna start throwing in the Acuity after that, and I will update you guys. Finally got it all in and installed. This thing sounds sweet. Crazy. I'm gonna have to relearn like how to drive with this. It's so fast. I can't wait to try it out. Super loud and an annoying cruise because I'm just taking it around the block and I still have everything disconnected, but we'll see. So much different. Oh my gosh, it's night and day. Night and day. Wow. Yo, this feels so good. You just have to feel it. Not the smartest thing to do right after you change your oil. But
I'm an idiot. So
I'm editing this video right now, and I just realized I never filmed an outro. So I just want to say thank you guys for the support. We're doing great on the YouTube. If you're new here, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.